All right. So our next item on the list is something that I often recommend, mostly because it's a really good price. It's a cool product. If you're looking for a way to get your microphone or get a microphone for live streaming or creating content, this is one made by Tonor. This is the Tonor TC-30. They didn't send this out to me. I just bought it so we can do demonstrations for it here on Amazon. But here it is. So one really cool thing with this is it gives you literally everything you need right out of the box. So it gives you the pop filter. It gives you the stand to put onto your desk. It gives you a shock mount to be able to absorb a lot of the sounds or motions from your desk, like if you're typing on your keyboard or picking up and slamming your mouse. And then it gives you a USB-C cable, a long USB-C cable that's detachable. There's a lot of other microphones that I've seen on the market that the cable is kind of attached to the mic. So if anything goes wrong with the cable, you need a new mic because you can't really just replace the cable with that, and or getting a longer cable. So you can use the cable that it comes with, or you can use your own longer cable to make it even easier to route your wires and tuck them away if you needed to. So pretty cool. So when you open it up first, and there's not really much on the box. There's a bunch of writing on the back, mostly in just different languages. Talks about like the model number, the product name, and stuff like that. So not really much on the box or anything around. But if we open it up, we are greeted with this 2-year warranty card, the instruction manual. Flip it through. It talks about how to configure it in Windows as well as on Mac. So if you are looking to use this on your Apple computer or your Windows computer, it gives both instructions for Windows and for Mac OS. Talks about all the parts that it comes with. Talks about the polar pattern that it is in. And yeah, everything that you need, really. So here is the microphone itself. So the microphone here is already put together, so you don't have to do anything. You literally just pull it out of the box. You'll unfold it. Bring out the legs. And well, bam, you're almost done, almost ready. Let me zoom out a little. Next is the USB cable, and they give you a pretty long USB cable right out of the box. This is USB-C to USB-A, and this bad boy is pretty long. I want to say this is probably 5 feet, 4 feet maybe. So pretty long cable that it comes with, which is super nice, so that you can run that down the legs of your desk and kind of keep those nice and neat. And then it also comes with, and this is something that's super important that I feel super nice that it comes with it, is the pop filter. This is something that you need to make it sound good. So your P's, your T's, your plosives, your when you put your lips together or your teeth spit outwards, it will help block those eerie sounds. So that's everything that comes in the box. And here it is. So you set it down just like this. The pop filter slides right in there on the top. Slides right in, and then you're good to go. You'll aim this towards where you're going to be talking, and then you'll plug it up. So let's do that. Let's plug it right on in. There's the plug right on the back. Now, if you didn't want to use this on a desk, and let's say you wanted to use this on a mic arm, you could do that as well too. You just undo this bottom portion here. And you will most likely, depending on your mic arm, and most mic arms come with adapters, you'll need an adapter to put into this, and then you'll be able to mount this right onto your mic arm. So that way you can have it mounted, and then you can have it kind of like I have my microphone is pointed directly at me pretty close. So, but for now, for this demonstration, I'll just do, we'll just keep this on the desk for now. So there's that. And then I'm going to plug this up and hope that nothing breaks. Yesterday when we plugged up another microphone, everything froze. But this should be pretty much plug and play. There's no software required or needed. Let's see. I think we are okay. I'm going to change our microphone over to the new microphone in just a second. Actually, it might have been already. We'll see. All right. So now I'm going to switch the microphone from this to the Tonor microphone. So I'm gonna turn this one off. And now you should be hearing me through the Tonor microphone. So this is what it sounds like. So I don't think I have any filters enabled. Yeah, I don't. So you are hearing some like of the background noise from my computers, like the fans. Adding this with like while you're recording or doing things through OBS or whatever streaming software you're using, one of the things is definitely needing to add a noise suppression, something to kind of mask out that fan or that noise or the hum in the background, and that's pretty easy to do. So in OBS, we're just gonna add, I want to say noise suppression, and it's gone. Pretty sweet, huh? So now it should sound a lot better. You don't have that hum or that noise. Here, I'll turn it back off again. And it's picking up the fans from my computer, which is maybe 3 feet away. But I'll just add noise suppression, which is a very standard software enhancement for microphones to make it reduce that sound. And that's it. That's all I added. You could do things like noise gates, so you can even minimize even more sounds. But I feel like that's all it really needs is a way to get rid of fans or hums from your computer. And this is the Tonor TC-30 for a really good price right now. Definitely worth every dollar that it is. And everything that it comes with the stand, comes with the shock mount, comes with the pop filter, and it's sounds really good. Yeah, Amazon customer sounds really good for the price. So it's hard to beat that or even kind of compare it to like we have my studio microphone. Of course, it's configured to sound really good, especially for the live streams. But for this, sitting on the desk, I literally plugged it in. It's a little hot, so like hot meaning it picks up a lot of sound. So I'm talking in my normal voice. I probably would want to turn it down a little bit, which is easy to do. So there we go. So yeah, for the price, I definitely think it's worth it. Definitely worth it. You guys just heard my phone alarm go off. Sorry. But yeah, hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully this can help you decide, make a decision if you're looking for a new microphone. This one's going to be great for doing voiceovers, YouTube videos, live streams, Skype, Twitch, all those things. And I have mine. So I have this one currently about 2 feet away. So it's not right up underneath me. It's not within camera vision either. So I can be talking to the camera with no problem. And it has a really good sound. Now, the way I like to have these microphones is to have them closer because then it's going to sound even better, in my opinion. So this is where I would have it, and it's still hot. It's really hot when you have it this close, so I'd have to lower it some more or lower the gain. You can do that in some softwares. Um, but having it this close, I feel like this would be not bad for 2 feet away. Yeah, tools. Hey, what's up, man? Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Not bad for 2 feet away. Yeah. So having it right in front of me, and it's a little back, a little ways. I think it's okay. I have it a little quieter now. So again, it's not in camera view. I can sit here and be able to talk to you guys, and you guys should be able to hear me okay. Um, but I prefer to have it even closer. Closer is definitely better. Yeah, having it this close. So ideally, you would have it mounted on a mic arm like this. We'll pretend that this is all mounted, and then it would be in camera frame, but it's gonna sound a lot better. pop filter there, so you don't have to worry about your P's and your T's peaking your audio, making it not sound as good, while you can have it closer to you. Or you can just have it on the desk. Some people don't care to have a microphone in front of them, so this is a good solution. You don't even have to wear a headset if you didn't want to. Now, you do have to wear a headset. I take that back. You do have to wear a headset because you won't be able to hear any audio if you're like gaming and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that is the Tonor TC-30.